Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Sherry and today I have a little bit of a unique video. I wouldn't say per se unique, but different than what I've normally put on my channel. So as you guys probably already know, I am traveling to Alabama for a 2-week course, and I wanted to go ahead, as I was packing my planner stuff, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I actually consider my essentials for traveling when I am when I want to continue planning. So in this case, I'm not actually going to bring my traveler's notebook. I'm going to bring my Erin Condren, and the reason why is because I'm going to be in class majority of the time, so I really don't need to bring around my traveler's notebook in my purse, because to be honest with you, I probably won't have a purse. I'll probably have my backpack with my notebooks and things like that. So I figured I'll just go ahead and leave this in the room and continue to plan as normal. So I'm going to bring my Erin Condren with me, and I am going to bring some additional things that I can utilize, but more a condensed version. So let's go ahead and get started in that. So I do have these 2 sticker books. Well, they're actually photo books that I made. I pulled these sticker book covers from the Coffee Monsters Co. site or a Facebook page, and I print them out, made them a little bit larger so I can put them on my photo books. And I believe these are 5 by 7. I'm not really sure, but I just went ahead and measured it, and then resized the sticker book cover stickers of the emojis and put them right on it. And to be honest with you, it's just a sticker. So what I am going to do, I'm probably going to pull out my essentials, I'm not sure yet, and put them in a smaller book that I know that I'm going to use on a daily basis, or at least multiple times a week. So these are my 2 sticker books. If you guys want an in-depth video of my sticker collection, specifically my Coffee Monsters Co. and my Munchkins from Once More With Love, please do leave a comment below and like this video. Alright, so my traveler case is this Create 365 from the Happy Planner. This is actually a pen case, but I use it for more than just that, and it is very, very useful. I've actually had this thing for about a year, and I started off when my sticker collection was pretty small. I started off keeping everything in here because I would have everything all over the place, and my husband would look at me with the side eye because I would leave a mess in the living room. So I started off with this, but to be honest with you, it is very useful, especially when considering traveling. So when I open it, on the left pocket here, I do have this Munchkin sticker book, and believe it or not, guys, this is how I started my sticker collection. I had this small little album. I did recently just print this sticker book cover, and I flipped the original cover to the other side, so that way it didn't just leave that white background there, and I just inserted that there. So I don't have a huge collection for Once More With Love, but I am gonna be making a huge purchase here soon, so that way I can build it up, because I do love the Munchkins from Once More With Love. I just so happen to have more Coffee Monsters Co., but there's some space in here, as you guys can see. I may take my essentials from the Coffee Monsters Co. and insert them in here, so that way I didn't have to travel with those big albums. So then in the front flap here, this little thing here, there are some pen holders, and I do have Paper Mate Enjoy Gel Pen in 0.7, and then I have a Pilot G2. I have an 05 and 07 here as well. And you guys, you can never have too many pens. And to be honest with you, considering that I'm going to be in a 2-week course, I'm going to be doing nothing but taking notes. So I wanted to make sure that I had as many pens as possible so that I wasn't running out. And then on this side, I do have my Sharpie I think this is an ultra fine tip, and then my Expo. I use these on the stickers itself. I use these pens here for the paper and the Erin Condren, and these for the stickers for the most part. And then I do have these Expo dry erase, because in the front of my, and I'll show you guys here, my Erin Condren, I have, where is it? I have this from a Recollections that allows me to pre-plan for the next week. And then I do have a wellness log from Erin Condren as well in the front, that I write my meals for the week, my intake, my personal intake, and my exercise and things like that. So I do have these Expos on that flap here. So let's go ahead and get into what I have in this side of the case. So of course, we can never go without undo. I am getting better with the case. I mean, not the case, the top here. It was hard to take off. And the reason, I don't know why it was stuck. Even when I pressed down, it was hard to come off. I would have to take like a pen or something and pry it off, but now it's starting to get better. And guys, this thing is a miracle. Like, it literally takes off my stickers, still keeps it tacky in the back so that I can place it back down. And if I'm not going to use that sticker, for example, this week, we were supposed to have family time today. Today's Friday, the 23rd. But my daughter's grandmother wanted to get her a day early, so she's going to come here and pick her up. So I went ahead and took that family time sticker off that I put on when I pre-planned and put it right back on the sticker sheet that it came on. So undo is great for things like that, especially if you make mistakes or if plans change and you wanted to move it to a different day. A little bit of undo works magic. Okay, so that's that. And then I do have this Happy Planner. What is this called? So the elastics for the planner that I've had this for a long time, and I don't really use it that much anymore, but I am going to bring it with me because I'm going to stick some of my how you call it, some of the kits itself inside of the planner, and I don't want it to fall out, so I will be bringing that. And then I do have plenty of whiteout because, you know, we're human beings and we make mistakes. So I have enough. Well, I would say I have enough, but some people may say it's excessive. So I do have 5 of them. 2 of them are from Skillcraft, and then this one's from Bic, and then these 2 are from Recollections. And then I have some tape here. I don't really know why, but I have some tape if I need it. I do also have this page clip here, and I usually use it in my Erin Condren, especially if I have to attach some bills in there for that day that I would like to remember to pay those bills. I slide it right into my Erin Condren and clip this right on there. And then I do have a couple of Sharpies. These are not fine tip, or they're not ultra fine, they're the fine tip. I don't know why I'm bringing them, but to be honest with you, I have the space, and yeah, so it's in there. And then I do have a pencil because sometimes when I write things in my planner, especially while I'm in school, if I don't want to continue using a lot of whiteout, because honestly, I really don't like the way whiteout looks in the planner. I think it kind of makes it look a little messy, even because sometimes it lifts up on the edges. I use a pencil, and if I need to change it, if I'm not certain if I'm going to do it on a day, I'll just erase it off. And then I do have this X-Acto knife. I got this from Michaels. And I do have my slice tool that I'm going to bring, a little pair of scissors to be able to cut, you know, if I have to cut something down to size for the planner. And then I do have these tweezers because sometimes, you know, I think that I have fat fingers, and sometimes stickers are a little too small to place down. So I use this just to kind of help me put it down. And then I have of course, my blades for my X-Acto knife, and I do have some refills for my pencil, and then some sheets back here that belongs in the Happy Planner. And to be honest with you, I'm not bringing my Happy Planner, but I do have it in there just in case I need to take some notes. And then last but not least, I am going to be bringing my, this is my binder with all of my kits. And I don't need to bring it all, but to be honest with you, I don't have any other place to put my kits that I'm bringing with me because I'm going to be gone for a couple weeks, and I did pre-plan, so I need to bring those kits with me. So, and if you guys want to see, majority of these are printables. If you guys want to see like a video on like my printables collection or my sticker kit collection, please do, again, leave a comment below. So I am going to bring this with me. As you guys can see, I already pre-planned, but I want to bring it, the additionals with me so that way while I'm gone, I can continue planning. So that is it, excuse me, for my essentials for traveling, especially when you're going to be gone for an extended period of time. I think everything I have in here will do. If I do need to run out and get something that I'm missing, then I'll do that. But for the most part, I think I have everything that I will need while I'm gone. So I hope that you like this video. And if you do, please do let me know down below. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.